And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
You can see these storms going this way, west of us, and these storms going this way in the viewing area. There are two reasons for this. One is, we had so many torrential, towering storms last night over such a large area off to our west that we actually formed a little low pressure. When you have so much rising air, the air pressure drops near the ground, you form a little low, and you can see it spinning right here. So these are kind of moving around that little MCV, a little meso low in this direction. These storms are coming in this way because we've got that really hot upper ridge that is expanding all the way around eastern Canada, and the surface flow is beginning to kind of come in from the northeast around the heat that's expanding this way. So that's really kind of two directions for storms today, and we can track those right now. These scattered storms, again, moving westward in the area. Some heavy storms coming into Clinton County right now. We've also got some heavy storms up around Buck Creek, or just south of Buck Creek, that is, and right around Piermont and Pettit here and Edna Mills that are moving towards the greater Lafayette area, and other cells developing upstream a little bit up here in parts of Cass County, moving westward as well, and a few showers around Francisville, and a few cells developing around the MCV from Illinois, around Attica and Petersburg, and kind of filling in, and these are moving northward towards Benton County. Can't rule out an isolated severe storm or two this evening, or a little localized heavy rain. Then things quell, a little patchy fog, and we're looking at a few more storms tomorrow with a high of 91 after 70 for the low in the morning. Upper 80s to low 90s will do it tomorrow. Another very hot day with heat indices 95 to 104. A hot one on Thursday. Some scattered, at least isolated storms, that is, during the afternoon. 70 in the morning, 93 the high, not a lot of wind, and highs generally about 89 to 94 over the area, but with the very high humidity, you better believe that those heat indices are going to be upper 90s to as high as 108, so be careful on Thursday. Some scattered storms around right through the evening hours, even up through 10 and 11 o'clock, then things quell a bit. A few scattered storms tomorrow, and then just a couple isolated storms here on Thursday, but it will remain oppressively hot as the ridge kind of from eastern Canada and the plains expands over our area. We cap everything, and with wet soil around, we're going to evaporate that water, so very high dew points. We may be in the 90s, but it's going to feel like well above 100. And on the 4th of July for fireworks at 9 p.m., still 89, feeling like the upper 90s, and still 83 at 11. A typical steamy Independence Day ahead. 95 Friday. There's 96 on the 4th of July, 96 on Sunday. Again, heat indices, some places exceeding 105, and we stay hot into next week. Next good chance of more widespread storm action late next week.
Well, hey, at least it'll be hot for 4th of July on a special day, and it's also a special day for you. I wanted to give you a happy birthday shout out today. So
40.
Hey, what did we talk about? 25.